Greetings, fellow teachers. All right, today is a big day. I'm going to show you how to let the parents into your classroom. Okay, yes. So the Schoology allows for parents to have access to see what everything that you're posting and all that stuff. They'll only see their kids' information and their assignments that are turned in. They won't see any of the other kids' stuff. So I'm going to show you how to get that set up. So let's get started. Okay, here we are in Schoology. This is the main page here by clicking on the logo up here. This is where it gets you, in case you want to know where I'm at. But we're going to go into a course today, and I'm going to go into the computers, the 7th grade computers class. And down here on the side, we're going to click on members, and here we'll see our entire roster, right? What we're looking for is this green box over here. All right, and right underneath there, you see where it says parent access codes. We're going to click on that, and it's going to ask us, hey, you're about ready to download these codes so they can link to their child's account. We're going to go ahead and download those. Now, this will download into your standard spreadsheet CSV file. I would highly recommend that you name this for the class. So I'm going to say grade 7 computers. And I'm going to say A because I have two sections of that are going to be coming this year. And I'm going to put it in my downloads folder or wherever you want to download it, that you'll remember where it is. I'm going to save that. Okay, I can see that it's downloaded here. Now, the thing is, since it's a standard CSV file, if you go ahead and double click on this, it will probably try to open in Excel. And I would recommend against that, particularly if you don't have your Microsoft Office account set up and it asks you to subscribe and all that. You don't want to deal with that. So let's open it up in Google Drive. Much, much better. So what I did already is I went into my Google Drive and I created a folder called Schoology. And if you don't know how to create a folder in Schoology, just click New, and there's Folder. All right, and you can make a folder, main one. And inside that folder, I made another folder called Parent Access Codes. All right. I'm going to go inside that folder, and you can see I already have one right here. All right, now I'm going to upload that spreadsheet into Google Docs so I can open it up in Google Sheets, which is a lot better than I have it in the cloud and I can access it wherever I want it to be. So I'm just going to right-click in this area. This is another way you can do it. You can also click the New button. I'm going to say Upload Files right there. And then I'm going to navigate to where I downloaded it, and there it is, my Parent 7 comp. So I'm going to click on that and say Open. And you'll see that it is uploading that file up here. And as soon as it gets the green check, it appears right there. Great. And now when I click on this, it'll open up in Google Sheets. And there is my list. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and expand this column here so I can see the parent access codes for each kid. Now, here's what you do from the next part is you have to email each parent and give them this particular code. All right, and then the parent will be able to get in there. And I'll show you real quickly. I'll give you a sneak peek of what that looks like. I believe I have a parent one open here. Yes. Okay, so this is what I call mom fakie. Okay, so see that says mom fakie up here. All right, and she has one kid already that she's already linked her account with. Okay, so fakie guy. But if she's going to add a child, a new one of her childs, maybe she has multiple kids, she'll click Add Child, and then she'll put that code in for that kid. Now, it's very important, and you want to emphasize this in the emails that you send to your parents. Please, please, please make sure that they are accurate with that code, because best case scenario, it'll just say, hey, this code isn't invalid. Try retyping it in if they put in the wrong code. Worst case scenario is they put in a code from some other kid across the country or inside our organization, probably inside our organization, and now they have a kid that's not theirs that's linked to their account. And if that happens, unfortunately, Schoology has not made it very easy for parents in that situation. They will have to completely delete their parent account, and start from fresh all over again and try to add their child. So accuracy is very, very important for those kids, or for those parents, to make sure that they got the kids in there. Now, once they have the kid, they can just click on their child, and now they can view Schoology as if they were their child, and they can see everything that that child sees. Again, they won't see anything. You can see right here, this anonymous, that would be a child that posted somebody else in the class posted something, but the parent can't see it. It's all redacted, right? But they can go into their courses, see the courses that they're enrolled in. Okay, and see all of the assignments and whatnot. And that's how you get the parents started. I will make a separate video for the parents to do this, because what they need to do is when they first sign in, it'll immediately ask for the very first code for their child, and that'll get them in there. So that's how that works. I will also attach 2 docs to this video that you'll want to check out. One is the top 5 problems that parents have using Schoology and how to overcome them. So you're going to want to check that out. And then also just another quick text walkthrough of what the parents have to go through in case they happen to call you because they got stuck. You know what you can kind of talk them through it if you need to. All right. Good luck.